Hi, I don't know how many of you have hard water stains on your frameless glass showers, but there's a fantastic product to consider getting those hard water stains off. I've tried everything on my listings from Limeaway to CLR to all sorts of products. However, there is a product called CeramaBryte that you use for your glass top cooktop that works wonders on these frameless glass showers. So I'm going to show you some pictures. Take a look at the, hopefully before and after. It's hard to take pictures of glass, but I'll do the best I can and show them to you. Okay, I'm taking the CeramaBryte cooktop cleaner and going through and polishing. I'm letting it dry there, but I'm polishing the glass shower. I don't know if you can tell how hazy the hard water stains are down here. However, they're getting very clean up at the top here. So I polish it on with the little yellow scrubbies that are basically included in the package, letting it dry. Then I just kind of work it. It takes a lot of elbow work on it. However, it is coming off and polishing up very nicely, like up there, versus the hazy hard water stains from down here. So I got the shower as clean as I'm going to get it today. I'll probably come back and redo this again, and once I get all the hard water stains completely off, then I'll go to the automotive section of either Walmart or Pep Boys or something, and I'll get some Rain-X, yes, what you use on your car windshield, and I will treat the inside of the shower, and that will make the shower much more waterproof so the hard water stains won't stick any longer. But this is the final product for today. It came much, much cleaner than it was, and I'm very happy with the results. So take a look. Okay, end results for today. Really got it much, 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 much cleaner than it was. No more hard water stains. There's a few little spots that I really need to kind of work again, but much cleaner than it was. So very happy. So hopefully the CeramaBryte product will help you if you're having the same trouble with your own shower at home.